fair chance that my lunch will be making a return journey.
Very probably. And that's the technique they use for getting into what they call hot LTs, quick bow air from the cliff. When they're going into landing zones that are known to be surrounded by the bank guys, maybe in Iraq or in Afghanistan where these aircraft are operating, this very day, these aircraft are out there going in harm's way, right here, right now. And in order to get into a hot LT, they're running as fast as possible up to about 100, 110 knots, and then literally jam the brakes on and drop vertically into the, using that quick stop technique. It is actually a proper tactical manoeuvre, man. A spiral descent there.
Now this is a serious piece of kit for getting troops and equipment into the hotspot. It can carry 55 troops, or up to 10 tons of freight, which is a fair old payload. And the cabin area can hold 2 Land Rovers, in fact. Furthermore, it's got the capacity to carry additional loads slung underneath. One of the things they started doing with these is jaw mounting on the GBMGs, general purpose machine guns. So here we go, look, tail down, yep, nose off. You know why they developed that? Because they saw somebody doing the nose off landing in a jet fighter and said, hang on, if they can do that and use that drag braking, I'm sure we can. So watch this, having come to a full stop with the nose wheel still in the air. Well, let's just reverse it back into that parking bay.
With the nose wheel still in the air. It's got to lift off in this configuration. It's a remarkable bit of gear.
Now, presumably, there's somebody in the back saying, left a bit, right a bit.
Absolutely, in fact, before it's something called Larkham, sitting down the back there.
Probably got a sticker on the back saying, if I can't see you, you can't see me, or words to that effect. Look at this. I'll take off backwards, thank you very much.
Beautifully done. That is very shame. There is something very, very wrong about an aeroplane that big doing something like that, frankly. That's just not right. Other people who listen to it as the Harley-Davidson of the sky, because it sounds like a Harley-Davidson motorbike, which I actually prefer. I think it really does. Tremendous bit of kit this. I mean, one of the best things the Royal Air Force has ever bought, because it does exactly what it says in the tin. It gets an almost Hercules-sized load into an area the size of a cricket pitch.
There you go.
Is that the red gloves? Yes, it is.
There is definitely somebody waiting in the back of that.
Not exactly a comfy seat. Boy, is that thing agile. And I wasn't kidding about them coming about making a house done. This thing's bigger than my house, actually. You can live in there quite comfortably.
Really are seeing it all today. Variety of displays.
Look like the structure. This is compact aircraft. It is pretty much compact operation. Like here, right there. Chinook comes back in the land, revealing the pilot. No less a person than Squadron Leader Dave Trail. He's been flying the display seats all this year, doing a magnificent job. Waving from this side of the cockpit, you can see Flight Lieutenant Rich Simpson.
And if you look off to the right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have another pass from the Lancaster. Way off to the west.
So
Low level pass.